guys, today we'll discuss about the Polyline command. It is one of the most complicated command and almost 75% of the Autocad users doesn't know how to use this command properly. Yes, you heard me right. This is one of the most complicated command. However, I will explain you in the most easiest method to use this command. Before we start, don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Let's begin with the command. The shortcut key for Polyline command is PL enter. Now as soon as I input PL enter, it says specify start point. So I'll press first point on the screen. Now it's completely optional to press F8 whether you want the line to be straight or not. So I'll work with F8. So I'll press it. There are various options listed below, that is arc, half width, length, undo width. So that's completely optional to use these. Otherwise you can directly input the value and start the command. So first I'll explain the direct method. So let's say I'll give the value of 4 feet. I have made a rectangle on my screen. If you notice, the very first change in this command is if I'm selecting the entire object, it's selecting in one click. And now there are so many blue nodes appearing on the screen, but what does it mean? So if you click on the center part, just a single click, it says stretch, add vertex, convert to arc. So I'll first start with stretch. Just select this and you can shift the line in any direction wherever you want to. So I'll just stretch it to my right side. You can see the shape of the object changed immediately. And in case if at the corners your line is not meeting each other, just simply click the node and stretch it to the other point. So this was the first option. Again I'll select the object. Now I'll move to the second one, that is add vertex. See, vertex is basically the center nodes that we are getting in rectangle shape, and corner nodes are the one in square shape which are at the corner. So I'll take add vertex. Now what do you mean by this add vertex option? It says that if I want one more vertex here on the same line, can you see I added one more? So I'll move this in the center. So by adding vertex, this is how it looks. Now the last option is convert to arc. You don't have to do anything, just press convert into arc. It immediately convert your line into arc. So I'll just give the distance here. So as you can see on the screen, I made a rectangle, but after working upon the options available in this command, the shape is completely changed. One more thing, whenever you will be working with these three options, specifically if you are converting it to arc, make sure you have a smooth edges in this. So for that, simply just press the center part, convert to line, or again convert to arc. Just make the adjustment like I'm making on the screen, specifically at the corners, just to have smooth edges. And you can adjust them accordingly wherever you want to. So this is all about Polyline Command, which I explained you in the most easiest method. So I hope you enjoyed it.